Search suppression is very common on Amazon. If you don't follow Amazon's guidelines while listing your item, then there is a big chance that your listing will get suppressed. From my experience, I found almost every Amazon seller has experienced this issue. And the worst part is, it can happen for any reason like missing product info or having low quality images, etc. And that is why you need to make sure that your listings are following all Amazon's guidelines. And guess what? There is a new feature on Amazon by which you can easily prevent Amazon search suppression. This is from Ecom Clips, and today I will show you how you can prevent Amazon search suppression. So keep watching. Right now I am in the Amazon Seller Central, and here you can see we have got a ton of items listed like more than 2000. Let's go through the list to find out if there is any issue. Well, this one you see, so we got an item that is search suppressed. Today basically we will show you how you can prevent search suppression before a listing gets suppressed. But if you see a listing that is already suppressed like this one, you can watch our video on how to fix the search suppression issue. I will give you links in the description. There is a new feature called Improve Listing Quality. We are actually looking for that. Here it is, Improve Listing Quality. So what it will do? It will suggest me the missing data or if there is anything to change for improvement. As here you can see, it is suggesting me to add the listing price and also to add the pattern. After adding, I can save the changes from here. So I don't need to go to the listings to make these changes. That's good. Okay, we will add this later on. Now let's see the other item. Here also, it's suggesting the pattern. I would like to see if it suggests something different. Let's check other items. Okay, found another one. Okay, it is suggesting to improve the title quality. It's saying the title is too long, so you can remove the redundant and duplicate information. Okay, that's interesting. So you see, the good thing is you don't need to go through all the listings one by one. You can easily identify the listing if there is any improved listing quality tag. And what you can do? You can easily update the date to prevent search suppression. Overall, this feature will improve your listing quality and at the same time prevent them from getting suppressed. As I said earlier, your item can get suppressed anytime if it doesn't match Amazon's requirements. So make sure you go through these suggestions in your inventory and fix these issues. By the way, I want to remind you that Amazon is not your friend. Amazon's mission statement is to help customers. The sellers are not Amazon's customers, and our mission statement is to help sellers. We want to be the most seller-centric company in the world to help Amazon and e-commerce sellers do better, which is why we give out all of our content for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have been managing more than thousands Amazon choices and bestseller rank products. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping businesses all over the world. We would love to help you and work for you as well. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one.